Hello students, today we are going to do uh, Booming Birds Art and Craft book page number 6. In this a picture of bird is given. We'll start coloring it with the yellow given in the red dots, watercolor. We're going to fill the watercolor. I am taking a small zero size brush for coloring this small circles with yellow color. Make sure you first make an outline with the color and then fill the color. Now we'll start coloring the bird first. It is given two shades of colors. We'll mix white and little bit of black first and give a background. Now I'm using the black color and mix them all together. Providing some strokes with the black color so that the feathers of the bird looks clearly. Now I'm coloring the flower with the same gray. Now I'm using little bit of white to mix the colors all together and give the proper color. Providing little shades of black in the flower as it is given in the picture. Now all the outlines like the stem, the branches of the trees where the bird is sitting is completely with the black color, so we will fill the black color in it. First of all, draw the outlines with the black color and then fill the colors. You have to make sure you move the brush in one direction so that the color looks firm and uniform. Like this, our picture is complete. Thank you.